Hey, good morning, friends. Where are we? Oh, I know where we are. We are in Copenhagen, Denmark. And we just flew in last evening from Belfast. Quick stopover in Edinburgh.
Edinburgh.
Yeah, what a beautiful city that is. And we hope to visit there again soon. It's an incredible city, but so is Copenhagen. We just got a quick view over to the hotel. And as you can see behind us, we have our ship waiting on us.
I think there's 3 ships. There's a Costa, a Holland America, and an MSC. And since we're waiting to move full-time into the Villa V, why not go on another cruise? Because that's what we do. We are cruisers living full-time on a cruise ship. So as the Villa V does some of their final touches before we can move on, we're heading out on another cruise. We leave today and our first stop is in Germany tomorrow, and we have some stops in Greenland, which we're most excited about because that's a new place for us. I think there's Scotland. Anywhere else? Iceland. So we'll definitely take you along for the ride, and this will be our intro for our time we spent in Messina, Sicily, Italy just a few weeks ago. And one thing we love to do every time we go to Messina is every day at 12 o'clock in one of the big squares, they have a bell tower that lasts for 15 minutes, and all different parts of the bell tower, it has these amazing, you'll just have to see it and watch. It's fantastic, and it's so good we go back every time. Anything else?
No, I think that's it. We'll be signing off here and hopping on the ship, and we'll get back to you soon.
And I do like that I'm up on a stoop, so there's not so much height difference for my 6'2" husband. All right, love you guys. Thanks for watching, and remember, hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out.
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Let's go take a look at this bakery that we've been to before here in Sicily, and it was amazing. Here we are at a bakery in Sicily, and we had to come back for the cannoli because Sicily is the birthplace of the cannoli. Ricotta cheese and powdered sugar topped with nuts. Let's give this a try with a delicious cappuccino. Sweet, creamy, cheesy filling. That's amazing. It's rich, but delicious. And now, cappuccino. Oh, decadent. They know how to do cappuccinos in Sicily.
at the Cathedral of Santa Maria in Sicily, and every day at 12 o'clock, it's the most spectacular show at the clock tower, and I wanted you to see it. Enjoy.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was an amazing day there in Messina.
Steve's Canolli.
So
And that
good.
is, I believe, the renowned birthplace of the cannoli, Sicily.
Yes.
And I hope you enjoyed the bell tower. It's such an experience to see it in person. Make sure if you ever get that way, you're there at 12 o'clock on the square.
Yes. Thanks for coming along. If you wouldn't mind subscribing, that really helps the channel out, and it's free.
Woohoo! Thanks again. See you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.